The Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter J helps you establish an unrivaled breathing experience for yourself and your loved ones. HEPA is an acronym for High Efficiency Particulate Air Filter and is a type of pleated mechanical filter. The Honeywell Filter J HEPA Air Purifier Filter captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles at 0.3 microns or larger from the air that passes through the filter. This means particulates as small as 0.3 microns will be trapped with ease, while larger particles are trapped with even greater efficiency. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only Genuine Honeywell Air Purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All Genuine Honeywell filters can be found at honeywellstore.com. For the best performance, it is recommended you replace your HEPA filters once every year. With a subscription to the Honeywell filter of your choice at honeywellstore.com, you can take the guesswork out of when you should order a new filter. This way, you'll always have cleaner, fresher air to breathe without the hassle of ordering new filters yourself. The HRFJ830 was designed exclusively for the Honeywell HPA830 Designer Air Purifier series. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.